Hello. Do you want to speak Cebuano, but you feel overwhelmed by the language? I get that. I've been there. For English, Dutch, German, or speakers of other languages, Cebuano can feel completely alien. First thing you need to realize is that Cebuano is a dialect. It is not an official language. It's not taught in schools or official programs. Result of that is that it is near impossible to find a comprehensive book on the language. Cebuano is really a spoken language, not a written language. There are rules, make no mistake, but in the midst of time, over the generations, these have become very unclear and diffused. Just ask any Filipino friend, explain this sentence to me. Why do you say it like this? And I bet the answer will be, no idea, we just say it like that. Another consequence of it being a spoken language is that there are lots of variants of the language. Basically, every island speaks it differently in some kind of way. On one island, a word can be written with an O, while on another island, that same word can be written with a U. Very confusing for someone who tries to learn the lingo. This is why it is important to speak Cebuano, not start by reading it. Another thing Filipinos love is abbreviations. I guess, like a lot of other people in different countries. But you may hear things like ko, which is short for ako, I. Ron for karon, now. I for ayaw, don't. And so on. Lots and lots of things. Again, confusing for someone who is learning. It might as well be two totally different words, right? We don't know. It can be frustrating when your friends, family, or partner are speaking in a group, speaking Cebuano, and you cannot follow, you cannot participate. But let's put an end to that. Sure, it's a long road. Learning any language is. But every journey begins with a first step, and the rest just follows. Now, on this channel, we will teach you everything you need to start speaking Cebuano. How to pronounce the words correctly, how to get the stress on the right syllables, how to understand the grammar. You'll learn by speaking, by doing, by using the language in practical, real situations. You'll know what you are saying, why you're saying it, and understand the rules behind your sentences. Now, in the next video, I will start with pronunciation and stress, two things that make Cebuano sound natural. I'll see you there.